Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today, let's talk a little bit about the more common windows that are ordered and installed in homes in America, and it's a double hung window system. Let's get into why, and let's talk more about the double hung window system. I'm here in California, and there's a lot of homes that all started in the East Coast, the South, and then also the Midwest, where a lot of the windows were wood, period. I mean, even in California, if you had a house that was built in the 50s or prior, you had at least the face of the house to be wood windows. It was huge and beautiful. As time progressed here, and I'll just say in California, I'll keep this quick, is they would do basically a two-tone, if you will. You have like the wood in the front and then aluminum single pane windows around the back. That was pretty common. And then going into the 70s and 80s where it was all single pane aluminum windows throughout the whole house, and it was aluminum, and they just were not very great at being secure or keeping cold out or heat out and things like that. So double hung windows are huge here in California and basically anywhere else, because what you already have in the house is already a wood window, and the opening size, width, and height is perfect for a double hung. It was already constructed to have a double hung or single hung window system. To answer a customer's request, you know, they want something that's basically the same thing, but just a way higher performer, warranties, all of that. You just give them another double hung window. We'll show you in this video some of the components and how these things work, the beauty behind them, and it's just, when you Google what is the most popular window style in America, it's gonna be double hungs. And they're beautiful because you can take the top sash, you can bring it down for airflow at the top because heat rises. So you can open the bottom and the top up, and then you have this nice circle of airflow coming through each one of your windows. And it's used right, they're amazing. They're great for proper airflow, it's amazing. And then cleaning, they're great as well. So some of the features we'll show you on an Anlin double hung window. So cool, especially whenever you're wanting to clean your window from the inside of your house, or you have an upstairs building and you want to clean your windows from the inside. It's so nice to have that feature. So we'll show you some of that. You make your decision on whatever style brand you want, but you cannot go wrong with a double hung window system. They're fantastic. And with the right warranties, you'll never have to worry about components. So hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions about double hung windows, you can always reach out to us directly, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. Ask away. Hey guys, if you live in the Central Coast of California and are interested in a free estimate for windows and doors, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and request a quote there. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay up to date on future videos coming, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Tons of information about windows come out every week.